wonderful writers. Mrs. Opfer here. Thanks for joining me today for another opinion writing lesson and mentor text story inspiration. Today I have a really fun mentor text for us, and it will help us think all about opinions. It's called Blue versus Yellow. Ooh, I feel like this might be a competition. While I'm reading today, I want you to think about what opinion means and maybe, whose opinion you agree with. We're also going to take a look at a new anchor chart today, and it's right up here. Bing! Oh, there it is! Hello, anchor chart. And our opinion sentence starters today are going to include, we have some great choices that we can use during writing time. I prefer, I think, I feel, I know, I believe, in my opinion, the best thing about, and everyone should. Wow, we have a lot of good opinion sentence starters from which to choose. Keep those in mind today. While I'm reading our story, we might be able to choose one that we really like to incorporate in our opinion writing today. Here we go. Blue versus yellow. Well, they look happy on the cover. That's good. It's written and illustrated by Tom Sullivan. And on the back cover, oh my goodness, I know you all know about the back cover. Mrs. Radel taught us about that in a reading workshop lesson. It says, 2 primary colors, 1 epic battle. All right, here we go. Blue versus yellow. Have you heard the news? Blue is the best color. Oh my goodness. On the newspaper that he's holding up, it says Daily News, blue is the best, yellow not as good. Oh, In my opinion, blue is the best. Oh, let's see. Nice try, but everyone knows that yellow is the best color. Oh wow, look at all of those gorgeous yellow things. So this character might choose one of these sentence starters. He might say, I prefer the color yellow. Look up and see for yourself. Blue is the color of the whole sky. That's funny. All I see is a bright yellow sun. I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to choose. That's part of making your opinion known, right? Is you have to decide. That's step 2. Think, decide, explain. Well, blue is the only color that has its own music. Sure, but the instruments are yellow. Gosh, both characters are giving such good reasons for their opinions. And if you're blue, it means you're sad. Aww. I wonder why he's so sad. Can you tell? Yes, he dropped his blue ice cream. Oh, and it landed the ice cream down and the cone on top. So what? If you're yellow, it means you're a scaredy cat. What? I didn't know that. I learned something new. That's kind of silly. Speaking of cats, the fastest animal in the world is yellow. Ooh. What animal do you think that might be? Interesting ideas. But the biggest animal in the world is blue. Wow, what kind of animal is this, wonderful writers? Oh my goodness. Good thinking. And to top it off, all the best food is blue. Blue food, blueberries, slush. I guess that's like an icy, right? Cotton candy, popsicles, gummies. Well, I'm not sure I'd even consider most of that food. Yellow food is much better. lemonade, oh, popcorn, apples, bananas, cheese, French fries, oh boy. Another good sentence starter could be, I believe yellow food is tastier than blue food. Plus, there are yellow birds, bugs, bikes, and all sorts of things. But those can be blue too. That is a fair point. Well, the coolest cars are yellow. Don't forget about big blue trucks. Oh, uh-oh. I wonder what will happen next. Boom! Uh-oh. I did not predict that. Whoa. What happened? We're green! Oh my goodness. Wonderful writers, did you know that when you mix yellow with blue, you get green? That's a pretty clever idea to add into this story. Wow! Look at all the cool stuff we can both be. Oh no. Okay, truce. Blue and yellow are the best together. Excuse me? Oh no. I think everyone can agree. Red is the best color of all time. Hands down to infinity. Red. Oh boy. A lot of good choices. So this character started with I think. Oh no. Blue versus yellow versus red. Oh, I wonder, what's that gonna make? The end. Wow, wonderful writers. I got some great writing inspiration all about opinions from our mentor text today, Blue versus Yellow. While I'm working on independent writing time, I'm really going to focus on using my opinion sentence starters. We're going to think about which character we agree with or which character we share an opinion with. Let's take a look at some opinion sentence starters. I made a mini anchor chart for you. Here are some great ways to start your sentences. Opinion sentence starters. Will you read with me? I think. I feel. I prefer. Ooh, that's very fancy. I know. I believe. In my opinion, the best thing about. Wow, these are some great choices. I'm going to start here. In my opinion. I have my writing paper ready to go. You do too. I'm going to start with my name. I'm going to do my writing first today, and then I'll do my coloring afterwards. Blue versus yellow. Remember, that was the title of our mentor text, opinion writing. And it's okay, writers, if neither blue nor yellow is your favorite color. That's okay. We're just talking today about whose opinion we agree with more from the story. I'm going to start with that phrase, in my opinion. I'm going to make sure to start with a capital letter. In, one finger space, my opinion, and I'm going to put a comma. That tells the reader to take a pause. I'm going to write yellow, like the yellow character. He's kind of like a yellow poof ball. Yellow was right. And I'm kind of excited about that opinion, so I'm going to give it a special ending mark. Yep, an exclamation point. Now, I want to support my opinion with lots of reasons. And I think it would be nice to look back at the story and this page right here, the food page, that's what did it for me. Ooh, so I want to talk about cheese, lemonade, oh, and popcorn. Oh, I love all of those foods and drinks. In my opinion, yellow was right. Now I'm going to start again with a capital Y. Yellow foods are the, now I'm going to use another word from my anchor chart. I'm going to use this word right here. I'm not going to use the whole starter. Yes, but I am going to use that word best. I can stretch it too. Yellow foods are the best. Best. I'm going to have another comma there to pause. Now this is a grown-up word. You could get help stretching it if you needed help. Ooh, especially. Ooh, I almost didn't make it. I'm going to make my line longer. Especially, then these were my three favorites. Lemonade. I'm going to do French fries. I just remembered that one. French fries. And that's a good snap word. You guessed it, cheese. Oh, yummy. In my opinion, yellow was right. Yellow foods are the best, especially lemonade, French fries, and cheese. Okay, those are some good reasons. I want to give one more reason though, and I wanted to, again, look at this picture. Oh, beautiful for inspiration. Remember, there's not a right or a wrong answer. It's just your opinion. Who did you agree with more, blue or yellow? Okay, I do love that bright yellow sun. It makes me happy. I'm going to write, I prefer. I prefer. That means I like it more. Yellow. I'm going to use that special opinion word. And I even ran out of room. Oh my gosh. This might happen to you today, writers. And that means you're doing an amazing job. You could squeeze in another line at the bottom. You could turn your paper over, or your grown-up could print you an extra sheet. Oh my goodness, we're so busy. I prefer yellow because that's a great opinion word. It is the color of, oh my goodness, good job, sun. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I really gave a lot of good reasons. In my opinion, yellow was right. Yellow foods are the best, especially lemonade, French fries, and cheese. I prefer yellow because it is the color of the sun. Wow, and you know what? I'm going to use yellow to highlight some opinion words I used. I want you to try this in your writing today too. So I used a starter in my opinion. You could highlight with whichever color. I used the word best. That's an opinion word. And I used the word prefer. Oh my goodness. And I used the word because. That's a lot. Awesome. Okay, then remember, writers,
that we always want to make our words and our pictures match. So I'm gonna add some pictures of the things I wrote about. That'll be really simple. It's like a little collage. So I'll add a yellow sun. I wrote about that. I prefer yellow because it is the color of the sun. And then I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add maybe some lemonade, maybe some cheese, maybe even other yellow things. Writers, it's time for you to get started on your opinion writing today. I wonder who you'll agree with. Blue, the blue character, or the yellow. I can't wait to hear about your opinion. And remember to use some of our sentence starters and opinion words today. We'll see you soon, writers. So proud of you. Bye.